What's up, guys? Welcome to Fly with Odin. Today I take you for a flight with the Mini 3 Pro at the Taubenstein in the Allgäu region of Germany. We are flying the valley around the Kleintiefentalalm. The weather is amazing and even warm up here in the mountains. In this region, the hiking trails are easy till moderate and have lots of great views. We are 70 kilometers south of Munich, and since it's holiday season, it took us about 1 hour 20 minutes to get here. The parking space is at Spitzingsee. I will link it below. We paid €22 per person to go up and down with the cable car. And this is the Taubenstein. I stayed clear since there are a few people up there, but you can see the cross on top. And this is the Miesing and the Kleintiefentalalm. If you like this video, let me know by leaving a like and a comment. If you want to see more, just subscribe and activate all notifications. It's free and you will find us again easy. Between the Miesing and the Rotwand is the Miesingsattel. The Rotwand is the highest peak on this flight. Again, I stayed clear because there were many people at the cross. Many trails start at the Rotwandhaus. There are even biking trails. It was not by chance that we had these great views. Before we head out to the mountains, we always check the webcams. This is the best way to check the local weather and the visibility. Some cams let you even see how many people are up there already. We rested a bit at the Taubensteinhaus. The self-service was very friendly. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.
Yes, click now.